When we talk about analytical teams, currently there are many roles in analytics. Could you kind of describe at least several different analytical roles that are necessary in the daily life and how they differ?
Yeah. From my point of view, when I started, I actually knew only one role, data analyst, or at least when I was in university. Now we have a lot. If we look at LinkedIn, each person has different role. When we help CVM team, for example, from that point of perspective and cooperation, I would see main roles, let's say 3 or 4. So one is what I would call business analyst. He usually has to understand a lot of business and have enough technical knowledge to make quick decisions, to be able to crunch the numbers, to find insights, and present those to commercial stakeholders. So he is the closest to commercial team. On the other aspect, we have data scientists. If now we are going to, let's say, deeper mathematics, deeper analytics, we might want to predict some things. So data scientist would be another role who is a lot more into technical details, maybe academia, reading papers, and so on. Of course, both of these people, we cannot live without data. So someone has to prepare the data. It has to be clean, correct, trusted. Usually now these people who do that, they would be called data engineers. So these 3 roles are, I would say, the main roles. Historically, or if the team is small, you might be a generalist. You are a data analyst, you do everything what you need. Today, maybe you do business analysis. Tomorrow, someone will ask you to do a model. So depends on the team size, but the bigger you are, the more roles you can have, and the people would be more focused in that area. Latest role, which currently I think is emerging, is analytics engineer. And here it's, I think people just noticed that if you are business analyst, maybe you don't have enough technical knowledge. If you are very, very technically capable, then maybe you don't have enough time to dig deeper into the domain understanding. So in my view, a new role was invented exactly in the middle, who has some technical understanding, some business understanding, and then he can both talk with commercial people, but also with technical people and be the gap, bridge the gap in the middle.